Hello, first graders. Today is September 3rd, 2020. We're going to talk about the days of the week to get started here. Today is Thursday. My turn. Today is Thursday. Your turn. Good job. Yesterday was Wednesday. Your turn. Yesterday was Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Friday. Today is September 3rd, 2020. Your turn. Today is September 3rd, 2020. Today is Thursday, September 3rd. Yesterday was Wednesday, September 2nd, and tomorrow will be Friday, September 4th. All right, we're going to do our word work warm-up today. Today, we're going to stand up for our word work warm-up. So I want you to stand up. And we're going to do some motions while we say these words. We're going to see the word, say the word, and spell the word. All right, see it, say it, spell it with me. Go. We're going to do jumping jacks for go. So say the word go. G-O says go. All right. Like, we're going to clap it. Like, say the word. L-I-K-E says like. Is, see the word is, say it. Good job. For is, we're going to stretch. I-S says is. The, say it. The, good job. We're going to box it. Ready? T-H-E says the. This. Say the word this. We are going to go on our tiptoes. Ready? T-H-I-S says this. Two. Say the word two. Good job. We're going to do high knees. Ready? T-O says two. We, see the word we, we're going to snap it. Ready? W-E says we. All right, it's time for our sounds. Sit back down, find your quiet space again. When you see the letter card, you're going to say the sounds. This word says vowel. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. This says consonant. The consonants are all the other letters. We're going to say the sounds. Ah. Y, k, g, p, p, w, r, b, z. Oh, it skipped. E. V. English words never end with the letter V. They're always followed by a silent E. D. X. Ah. E. J. No English word ends in J. L. Qu. Q is always followed by a U. All right, good job saying the sounds. Give yourselves a little pat on the back. Good job. Alrighty. We are going to be using our HMH Into Reading book. You need My Book 1. It should be in your backpacks. We're talking about new friends and experiences. So you need to get out your My Book from your backpack. It looks like this. My Book 1, and we are going to turn to page 10. Page 10 looks like this. Okay. So go hit pause if you need a little bit more time to go get that. We're going to be talking about some vocabulary words. So if you turn to page 10, it should look like this. And today during our live session, we already filled it in. So you're going to fill in these words. But first, let's talk about the vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word is friendship. Say the word. Good job. Friendship. The meaning is when you have a friendship with someone, you like the person. All right, that's what friendship means. So we thought about some words that mean the same as friendship. Being kind and friends are some of the words that we thought of today in class. So you can write those down in your My Book. Then we made a drawing. So you need to draw a picture of what friendship means to you. You might draw yourself with your friend. Your friend might be a pet, a family member, or one of your friends from school. So go ahead and hit pause so you have plenty of time to write down these words and draw your picture. Our next word is emotions. Put your finger under the word emotions. My turn, emotions. Your turn. Good job, emotions. Emotions are strong feelings we have, like happiness or sadness. Okay, it's how you feel. So we thought of some emotions and wrote them down here. Some of the ones that our friends came up with today in the live session were sad, angry, excited, and happy. So you're going to be now in your My Book on page 11. And you need to write those emotions down here, and then draw your picture over here. So here we have many emotions. You might feel happy, excited, silly, maybe confused, sad, shocked. Okay, all of those different things. And you could add some more emotions over here if you think of a different one. So go ahead, hit pause so you have plenty of time to write down your words and draw your picture. All right, our next word is challenge. Say the word. Challenge. Good job. A challenge is something that is hard to do. So we thought of some challenges and wrote them down over here. One of our friends in class thought of riding a bike. So we wrote ride a bike. That's a challenge. It's hard to do. When you first learn how to ride a bike, it's hard. Another challenge we thought of was running a race. So we wrote run a race. You can write those challenges down in your My Book, and then you draw a picture of the challenge. So my picture shows some students running a race because that is something that is hard to do. It's a challenge. So hit pause so you have lots of time to write your words and draw your picture. All right, we're going to read our story today. If you turn your page in your My Book to page 15, you'll see try this. So turn to that page, put your finger under try, and we're going to start reading. Try this. Finger under we. We go to school. Finger under this. This is new. Try this, Sam. Turn your page. Page 18, fingers under we. We like this bus. This bus is great. Turn your page, fingers under we. We go to new rooms. Finger under this. When we're reading, we're putting our fingers under the words. This is new. Try to paint, Sam. Fingers under we. We go outside at school. Finger under this. This is new. Try to bat, Sam. Turn your page, finger under school. School is great. We like to try. All right, and I would like you to go back and try and read the story again. Hit pause and see if you can read the story all by yourself. Good job. Okay. This is asking us a question. How does Sam feel at the end of the story? What do you think Sam's emotion is? What is his emotion? How does he feel? He feels happy. How do we know that he's feeling happy? You can look at his face and see that he's smiling, and that shows us that he is happy. All right, we're going to turn to page 26 in our My Book. And it looks like this. It says, write a caption. Look back at try this. What new things does Sam try to do? First, draw a picture of something new Sam does. So think back in the story. What is something new that Sam did? We can look back in our story. Oh, something new is, what is happening in this picture? Good, he went to school and got on the bus. He went to new rooms. He tried to paint. That was new. He tried to bat. That was something else that was new. So we're going to draw a picture of something new that Sam does. I picked to draw that he painted as something new. You can pick one of the other things, maybe going to school, getting on the bus, trying to bat. So hit pause and draw your picture of something new Sam does on page 26. On page 27, it says write. Now write a sentence to be a caption for your pictures. Tell about the new thing Sam does. So we're going to write Sam can. Remember to begin with a capital letter and end with a period. So you need to choose which sentence matches your picture and write it in your My Book on page 27. Make sure to write neat in the lines. The first one says, Sam can paint. The second one says, Sam can bat. And the last one says Sam can go to school.